It's like 5:45 in the morning. Still really blowing really hard out here, but it's not as loud as it was. But still very windy. The rain, it's still raining. Doesn't seem to be as heavy, it's much lighter. But if you look off in the distance in the lights over there, you see the rain and it's blowing still really hard. You can see that it's just it blowing around. And don't know how the flooding is in front of the house. I haven't out there yet, I'm out back. It's still blowing pretty hard. Better than it was, I guess. Probably went, I don't know, it's still, sorry, my mind's a little foggy. Still really tired, but yeah, it's still blowing pretty fast. I'm outside now. Yeah, not as much rain. I feel it on me a little bit. Whoa. This is Monday, September 11th. Like I said, it's around 5:45 in the morning. We still have power at the moment. We haven't lost it. You know, it flickered on and off throughout the last several hours. If I understand, millions of people has lost power, and even some within the city of that I live. But I still have it at the moment. It's kind of hard to describe what I've been feeling and observing here. You really have to see it for yourself. Fortunately, you're not going to be able to see it too well with this camera. It's too dark out here. I'm trying to give a visual description as much as possible. And you can be able to hear some of the wind. Hopefully you hear okay, but I still have the camera in the plastic bag. You know it's not raining as bad. I just don't want to take a chance. One drop of water in the wrong spot could just screw this camera over. I know that. It really kick its butt. I actually can see a little bit of the moonlight through the clouds, so I don't think it's as thick as it was, but I still can see the moon. Whoa, I actually see a hole in the cloud. Yeah, I can actually see a star or two. But that's the only hole in the clouds I see. Well, it's still fully overcast. Yeah, Irma's not going down without a fight, I know that. Wow. Seems to be all blowing in the same direction because my avocado tree, which is still standing, it's tipped over now. And it keeps getting blown the same way. Don't ask me which direction that is. I'm not sure that's north or south, east or west. Very nice out here. Compared to what it was, I suppose. You didn't have to worry about damage to property or loss of life or any of that. You probably actually would find this sound from this wind and everything, the wind feel peaceful, but I'm a realist. I know how dangerous something like this could be. It still sounds weird, the sound from the wind. I don't know how to describe it. I guess you really gotta be here. But just, I don't know. It just sounds strange. The last I looked, it was a Category 1, I believe. think it was only a few days ago, it was a category 5.